Body parts in Tagalog. Part 1. Ulo, buhok, noo, mata, ilong, bibig, ngipin, dila, tainga, pisngi. Repeat after me. Ulo, buhok, noo, mata, ilong, bibig, ngipin, dila, tainga, pisngi. Great job! Now let's use these words in simple sentences. Repeat after me. Ito ang ulo ko. Ito ang mata ko. Ito ang ilong ko. Ito ang bibig ko. Ito ang tainga ko. If some words feel hard to remember, that's okay. Practice them repeatedly and point to each body part as you say the word. You can always come back to this video whenever you need a review. That's it for today. Now you know some common body parts in Tagalog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to learn next. And if you want to learn more simple Tagalog, check out my other lessons too. Salamat, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.